have insurance. They got no insurance.
Well, no, they
I
ain't.
used to go.
No, that ain't got nothing to do with your policy.
Wow, dog. Like, used to go up under there and go in right there. And it's blocked all the way off.
It ain't no door there. That was a sanctuary right there, wasn't it? Hey, did you ever go in the sanctuary? I never saw the sanctuary. But you could lift the window down. You didn't necessarily have air conditioning. Oh my God. This just hurts, man.
It do. That's why my baby hurt. That's why I looked up at my baby crying. It hurt.
And you know, see that lady that was complaining about no cable, no power. She need to come up in here and suggest, woman, shit. Look, hey.
Hey.
Don't you go be in school?
Oh, I got